This is our submission for the Hypermode Hackathon. The theme of our project is drug investigation. The overall flow of the overall goal of the application is given the subject and predicate of a triple. It predicts the most optimal object corresponding to the given subject and predicate. The theme of our project is essentially drug investigation. So the how we have proceeded with our application is like this. We have taken the publicly available DTO ontology, that is a drug target ontology, and we have loaded it into Neo4j, as you can see. Once the ontology was loaded, we trained the transient deep learning model on our ontology on the task of object prediction. After training the model, what we did is we deployed it on a custom Django backend. This serves as a API endpoint uh, for querying the model. As you can see here, we have loaded the model and the triples on this custom Django backend and API endpoint. Okay, once we have done that, here comes the essential Modus app. Once we have that, we queried this endpoint using our Modus app. What it essentially gets in return is the fetch triples, the top 100 fetch triples. Once we have so essentially what it does is it gives subject and predicate as the input, and it receives the top 100 objects in descending order of score assigned by the model here. Once we have this, we are running a second layer of check. Essentially, we are seeing if this particular object appeared in some existing triple of the knowledge graph or not. For this, what we did is we actually executed a cipher query inside Modus app to check if this object essentially appears in any other triple as an object. Once we have that, we then assign like this. We find the most optimal object and then insert the triple inside the Neo4j using another cipher query. So essentially this makes the graph self-growing. So let me now show you a demo of how exactly the application is working. We input the subject and the triple the predicate over here, and once we hit submit, essentially all the possible triples are displayed and the most optimal response is also displayed here, and this triple is then automatically added into the Neo4j, thereby making the ontology self-growing. That's it for our application. Thank you.